Am I the a-hole for giving my mom my dad's tax returns to help her extend her alimony? I, 37 male, spent most of my adult life working for my parents' company, a small but successful firm that does litigation support, architectural design, project management, and engineering consulting. Our whole family helped build it. After school, weekends, holidays, you name it, we were there. I started working there full-time right after high school. My parents had a rocky marriage, mostly due to my father's chronic infidelity. He used the company's resources to carry on multiple affairs and even hired prostitutes for himself and for clients. When my parents divorced in 2011, all this came out. My sister and I sided with our mother, while our older half-brother, our mom's son from a previous marriage, took our father's side. A couple years later, I split with my son's mother. My father then hired a lawyer for her. Not just any lawyer, but the wife of a longtime client of his, who had also been a close confidant during his divorce. This husband and wife legal team took my custody case all the way to trial. During the trial, it came out that they had been given my privileged medical records by my father. The judge admonished the attorney but didn't pursue any serious disciplinary action. Ultimately, we ended up with split custody after they racked up over $140,000 in legal fees. I ended up suing my father over the breach of my privacy. After 2 years of litigation, I dropped the case because my sister convinced me to, for the sake of our mom. In exchange, my father agreed he would help her out as she aged and dealt with health issues. Fast forward to now. My father makes over $1.2 million a year and has completely cut my mom off from alimony. She has health problems and no other income. Recently, he left his tax returns open on my laptop. I gave them to my mom so she could try to extend her alimony. Now my father says I crossed a line and that I'm violating his privacy and being vindictive. But I feel like my dad's the one who broke trust first, years ago. To be explicitly clear, my father handed the documents to me. By doing so, he waived his privacy rights. The taxes show his income has been 3 times the amount his alimony was based on since 2 years prior to his divorce. In this fact pattern, there is legally no owed duty of care, given that the documents were left for me to view and retain copies of. This may have been an act of outright hubris or stupidity on his part, but nonetheless, what duty of care was owed? None. So am I the a-hole?